Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will show you why your car's hood stuck and not opening when you lift the hood release. It's a common problem happening on cars. Either you used a lot or you're not using it that much, only opening the hood for oil change and windshield fluid. First thing you should be checking is the steel cable under the release handle. In my case, it's not broken and it's pulling perfectly fine. But if it's broken like this, I will put the video in YouTube card and description box below of this video how to fix it if you have broken steel cable problem. But in my case it's not broken, and if I pull it from here, I can hear the sound in front of the car moving the latch, but it's not releasing the hood. So if you hear this sound, it's easy fix. Alright, now ask someone to hold the release handle and pull the hood just like this. First thing you should be checking are these rubbers. If they are lost or too low, they won't be able to push the hood when the release handle is engaged. We can see the rubber marks on the hood. It means they are in contact and pushing the hood. And the second scenario is the hood latch. If we look closer, it's very dry. When it's dry like this, the lock mechanism gets stuck and not working to release the hood. So we're just gonna give it a good cleaning and then grease it again. It should work perfectly fine. Now we need to remove this plastic cover. It held on with these plastic clips. By using a flat screwdriver, they come off very easily. Sometimes these plastic clips get brittle and not come off that easily. At this time, this clip removing pliers will be handy when you have a stuck plastic clip. You can also just do the cleaning without removing the cover, but I like to remove the cover and give it a good cleaning and not letting any cleaner drip underneath. So the reason I remove the cover, so I can put the shaft towel under the hood latch to absorb any cleaner and not let it drip on the radiator. For cleaning, I will be using carb cleaner or a choke cleaner, WD-40 as a penetrating fluid, brush and a grease. Let's start with WD-40. It will penetrate between the latch mechanism and loosen the dirt. I'm gonna leave it like this for a few minutes. Next, carb cleaner and a brush. It will dissolve all the dried grease, and the brush will help to agitate the cleaner. After 2 easy steps and cleaners, we went from this to this. It's completely clean and dry now. Next, adding grease to keep everything move smoothly. I will be using a small brush to separate the grease. The good thing about this grease, it's heat resistant. It won't melt and drip with engine heat. Everything is clean and greased now. Next, we will test it without closing the hood. Use a screwdriver and push the lever like this. We can do that few times to make sure everything works good. It was a good time to clean under the cover, so I give it a quick cleaning and wipe everything off and put the cover back on. Some of the plastic clips legs are broken, so I decided to replace all of them with new ones. Alright, plastic cover is solid. Let's test the hood. You can test it many times as you want, and next time you won't have stuck hood problem. So if the cable is not broken, this is how you're gonna fix it. Hope you guys found the video useful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.